I'm Piran White and I work at the University of York in the UK. I lead a project on integrating ecological and cultural histories to inform sustainable futures for the Paramos. The project has been done in partnership with the Humboldt Institute, the Nature Conservancy and the Universities of Rosario and Los Andes in Colombia, as well as Cambridge University in the UK. Even in a country with as much biodiversity as Colombia, the Paramo is a special ecosystem with unique flora and fauna. The Paramos are also home to people, providing them with livelihoods and a way of life. But we make many additional demands on the Paramo. The Paramos provide water for urban populations, they're important for carbon storage, and they're also rich in mineral reserves. This means that the Paramos are under huge pressure, and this is exacerbated by climate change. Our motivation in working on this project is to understand how we can balance these different pressures and threats, and how we can develop more sustainable and equitable futures for the Paramos and the people, animals and plants that live there. Our research has shown how, over the last 200 years, different visions of the Paramo have jostled for power. There are tensions between envisioning and governing the Paramos as an agrarian frontier, as a water factory, or as a strategic ecosystem. And these tensions have caused conflict between different stakeholders, human and non-human, and have tended to sideline local knowledge and practices of the Paramo. We have compared the likely impacts of climate and land use change on Paramo biodiversity. We have looked at more than 130 species of Paramo birds, mammals and plants, and we have found that the impacts of future climate change on Paramo biodiversity will be much greater than those of land use change. Importantly, our work has shown that more than 30 bird species not currently considered as being of conservation concern are at risk from future climate change. We've also considered potential solutions for the Paramo. For example, we have investigated the impact of private conservation initiatives, such as private nature reserves. We found that these initiatives have a significant impact on land use, and further, they could be made more effective for Paramo conservation by attaching specific conditions to their outcomes or how the land is managed. Overall, our work has shown that conservation of Paramo biodiversity will be most effective if focused on locations where climate is projected to remain suitable and the risk of land use change is low. Most importantly, our project has highlighted how history, social and political context and culture have combined with ecology in contributing to the current patterns of use of the Paramo. Local knowledge and understanding acquired through these shared histories need to become more visible and better integrated with other forms of knowledge. And this is critical if we are to develop ways to conserve the Paramos for the future, which are truly equitable and which meet the needs of all stakeholders.